Alright, Kylo Ren, give up your plan. The Pjmasks are here. Ugh, this is not good. Oh, stop him. Super Gekko. Uh, 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 achoo! Um, a Super Gekko Achoo? No, achoo! I think you're sick. You should probably go home, Gekko. Oh, I guess you're right. Phew. Oh, this is so lame. Now I'm sick. And I can't even stop the villains. Gekko, quick! It's an emergency! Catboy couldn't stop Kylo Ren. Now it's up to you. What? Well, I better go right now. Oh, Gekko, you're back. Just make sure you watch where you sneeze. Your days of evil are over. Super Gekko. Uh, uh, Choo! Whoa! Wow, Gekko, your Super Gekko Achoo actually came in handy. Yeah, take that, villains. Oh, my plan ruined again.